Okay, guys, so today we're going to talk about using the screencasting option in Flipgrid to present something, whether it's a Google slide, a website that you're telling people more about. Maybe you're presenting a math problem using Google Jamboard. Whatever it is, you can actually use Flipgrid itself not to record your face, but actually to record what's on your screen. So I'm going to walk you through that process right now. So I've created this sample Flipgrid topic, present your project. So let's say, for example, that you are presenting a group project that you and your classmates in a small group have done in Google Slides. Okay, you can see up at the top right here, I have a Flipgrid code that I've typed in, and you might have something like this that your teacher has given you with flipgrid.com/, or you might have that code that you find in an assignment on Google Classroom. In any case, you will click on that code and you will join with your at greenvilleschools.us account, which I'm going to do right now. Okay. Once you have logged in to your Flipgrid topic assigned by your teacher, for example, this one, the instructions for the day say present your part of the group slides by sharing your screen. Okay, so just like always, you have the little symbol with the camera that lets you know that you're ready to record a response. If you've never used Flipgrid before to record something, just a side note, once you click on this, you will be prompted by your Chromebook to allow Flipgrid to use your microphone and your camera. And you do need to do that in order for Flipgrid to work properly with your microphone and camera. So I'm going to go ahead and click allow, and then you will see that you are able to record using Flipgrid. So it walks you through the process, tells you step one will be that you have 10 minutes to record your video and that this topic is moderated, which means that your teacher will preview the video before it will be released. Okay, so I'm going to click to dismiss that. At the beginning, you will see a reflection of your face. But again, today, we don't want to record ourselves talking in first person. We actually want to present our screen. So how do you do that? Well, to get started, you're going to go right here to the three dots under options. And one of those options is record screen. So it's the fourth option. Other options are uploading a clip, doing a mirror of your video, so flipping that around, muting yourself, or recording your screen. And of course, we want to choose record screen. Okay, so it will tell you that you're going to create a screen recording by clicking start screen recording below. So I'm going to go ahead and click start screen recording. You do usually want to pick your entire screen. That means that you can go from tab to tab and it will follow you. If you pick application window, it will ask you to pick a specific application, such as a Chrome browser. Chrome tab would mean a specific tab. So for example, today, this is the Google Slides that I'm going to present. You could do that as well. Again, your entire screen allows you to go from tab to tab and follows you. So usually that's the easiest one to pick. But for today's assignment, you could also select Chrome tab and then just make sure that your presentation is already pulled up. I'm going to go with your entire screen. You have to select the little preview image of your screen and then click on share. There will be a countdown. And at this point, you're actually, even though you have this little warning screen here, you are being recorded. Okay. So let's pretend that I am in this group. This is our presentation for our class, and that I am in charge of presenting slides 6 through 9. So I want to open up my group Google slide, okay, in a different tab, and I want to start with slide 6. Okay, I'm going to present slide 6. You could press present, and it will record you as you're going along. You're going to speak over this slide nice and slow and give all the information that you've learned for class, and go through presenting slide 6, slide 7, slide 8, and slide 9. Be aware that the longest that a teacher can enable is 10 minutes, but before you begin sharing your screen, it will tell you how long you have, what your time limit is. So be aware of your time limit, but again, just good presentation tips. Make sure that you speak nice and slowly, that you enunciate, and that you, again, most important part, are showing that content knowledge that your teacher has asked you to demonstrate. Okay, so when I'm done with that and I have given my full presentation, my part of the Flipgrid, I'm going to come back to whatever tab it is that I have my Flipgrid in. Okay, and remember, because we chose to record our entire screen, it's going to continue to record you as you come back here. Okay, you can see there's a nice countdown as you're recording. And let's say that I am ready to stop now. So I'm going to click on stop. Okay, so I clicked on stop recording within Flipgrid, and now I can actually go through and preview the video. So you can see, oh, excuse me. So you can see, I'm going to pause it right there, that Flipgrid not only captured my face down here in the bottom right-hand corner, but it captured my project that I was presenting at the same time. So you can preview that within this. You could take a look at it, see if you like the entire thing, if you want to start again and record again. Once you click on next, okay, as usual, we normally do this. You'll take a picture of yourself to represent that this is your part of the project. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay. And then when you click on next, it will then upload your video. Depending on the length of your video, it may take it a little while. Just be aware of that. But it should upload. At the end, you can change your display name. So I maybe want to put my actual name instead of my Google username. You could add a link right here to your actual Google Slides if you wanted to, and you could give it a title. So lots of different options there. You could actually link right to the Google Slides that you were going to present, or maybe if you're talking over a website, you could give a link to that as well. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's share this link here. Okay. And of course, we want to make sure that anyone at Greenville County Schools, including your teacher, can view it. So I'm going to change it to that. And I'm just going to copy that link. Okay. So I'm going to put that right here. And once I submit that, let's see what it looks like. Okay. In this case, the teacher gave the option to download the video. You may or may not have that option. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and click complete. And notice it says your video is submitted. And it will be hidden until approved by your educator. Okay, so at this point, the teacher has not only your video, but she also has a nice link to your group Google Slides. So just a really cool thing that you can do there with Flipgrid. You have the option of recording your screen in order to present information. Thank you so much for listening today. If you have any questions, email me at emolin, that's EMOLIN, at greenvilleschools.us. Thanks so much.